Aloha guys, Hawaii's Only. I'm gonna show you guys how to do the craziest, most delicious, simplest fish recipe ever. It takes only 10 minutes to make. There's only 5 ingredients. Stay tuned. Welcome to the channel guys. Let's go over some ingredients. We have mahi-mahi, olive oil, garlic, Italian parsley, Hawaiian salt, potatoes, and lemon. To get started, we take 2 whole potatoes, cut them up in about 1-inch cubes. We're gonna put a tablespoon of oil and about a teaspoon of Hawaiian salt. You're gonna add in a teaspoon of garlic and about 2 teaspoons of Italian parsley and the zest from 1 whole lemon. Now that we got our potatoes seasoned, we're gonna put this into a roasting pan, put it into the oven, 500 degrees for about 10 to 15 minutes. We're gonna take our fish, it doesn't matter what kind of fish, halibut, snapper, salmon. Today we have mahi-mahi. You're gonna salt it with Hawaiian salt, bring up a pan to medium-high heat, drop in a tablespoon of olive oil and cook the fish 3 to 5 minutes on each side. When the fish is done cooking, you're gonna leave that same heat with the same pan and you're gonna put in your green vegetables, either asparagus, green beans, or broccoli. It doesn't matter, they all cook the same. You're gonna drop that into the pan with a tablespoon of water and cover the pan. You're gonna cook that for about 3 to 4 minutes. When that's done, you're gonna take all of your potatoes, your fish, and your veggies and put it all onto a plate and hit that fish with a little bit of lemon. This dish right here is absolutely mind-blowing delicious, and it's also the foundation to the start of many other fancy dishes. You could do it with garlic butter or pesto. You could do it with a béarnaise sauce or a beurre blanc sauce. But this basic fish dish right here is super delicious. You will impress any girl or man. You'll impress any in-laws. I promise you this is the best dish ever. Because I'm from Hawaii and because I'm Hawaiian, I made a dish for all you Hawaiians out there who don't like to eat the potatoes. We like to eat rice. So I made rice, veggies, and fish. It's even easier. We drop videos every Wednesday and Saturday. Hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys very much. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Aloha.